So we've decided to take it to virtual reality. There's a fly in there.
Where?
Hold on. Hold on, people. There's a fly in there. It needs to go. Go.
It's been so hot. And we want to keep the door open, you know, to get a little breezy. But then all these flies keep coming in.
Okay, formalities.
Yeah. Good morning.
Afternoon, people. Good afternoon, people.
Good afternoon.
So, it's another vlog day for us.
It sure is.
It's been about 2 weeks since we've done
2 weeks.
the vlog. Yes, we posted the photo shoot.
Yeah.
Because we mentioned the hat situation.
Right.
To everyone. So even though we didn't officially present the fedora, I hope you guys enjoy viewing the slideshow.
Yes.
Wasn't so sure if we should have done like a hip hoppy soundtrack or so we chose a solemn soundtrack. Not solemn. We chose a jazzy, easy, lovey-dovey soundtrack. Anyway, today's vlog is about another
little package.
Another package opening. But before we get into the package opening, let's tell you guys what we've been up to. So the last week and a half has been seriously hot in Switzerland. We're talking about 95
degrees.
Yeah, the most we've experienced so far is 95.
Fahrenheit.
But day after day, day in, day out,
Yeah.
it's 91, 92, 93, 94, 95.
Yeah.
And today is no exception. You're not complaining.
No.
Because when it's getting ready to be cold here,
It's no joke.
it's really cold, so not complaining. So we've got a fan in our bedroom.
Yeah.
So Jay needs to have a fan now because, you know, he's been cooking in his room. I mean, himself being the food, being cooked, you know. So we've been trying to stay cool. We're in anticipation for
Our holiday.
our vacation that's coming up.
Yeah.
And speaking of vacation, it's that time of the year when I'm celebrating my birthday.
Yep.
So this month is my birthday celebration.
Leo, of course.
Yes. King of the jungle. So, we've been playing around with some ideas how to celebrate my birthday. We don't know yet what we're gonna do because the big thing this year is actually our anniversary. So far we've been weighing around what we should do. We want to go to London.
Yeah.
We're saying we could do a couple of days in London, the celebration. But then again, we were thinking we could go to Greece. Then we were also thinking we could also go to Spain.
Yeah, Barcelona. That's on our bucket list, Barcelona.
Yeah, we've cancelled Barcelona once before, you know, so may end up in Barcelona. And then again, we may end up doing nothing.
Yeah, you may just
stay
here.
Because I was about to say, well, I won't benefit much from it, you know. I was about to say, you know, I could hold on to that money that we was gonna blow on my birthday and then benefit more from it on my vacation, but I won't benefit from it much. I'll benefit by watching her, you know, shop.
I mean, we could go on a shopping spree for that weekend.
If we go on a shopping spree, you guys will think. You guys will be wondering whose birthday is it actually.
No, you know? I won't be so selfish. I won't be so selfish. Yeah.
Okay. let's take a bit in that. We don't know how that's going to turn out yet. So, without any further ado,
let's get opening.
Let's get opening the box. Hold on, let's show what exactly is it.
Yeah. So
we've decided to take it to virtual reality. You know,
a bit late. How do
yes. These has been out a couple of years now.
Years, yeah.
But we've watched a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah,
and,
some of them really are funny.
Some are funny, and we were trying to. Well, I'm a gamer. Yeah. Wife for Life also plays game with me every now and then. And sometimes when I play my Xbox, the adrenaline rush is so real. It's as if I was there, you know, because most of my games are like war games, shooting games. So I was saying to her that with the virtual reality headset, I could only imagine that it's going to be even more involved. So we're about to give this a try. So this is going to be like a regular vlog unboxing kind of thing. Yeah. So let's get it and see what it entails. Wife for Life will be behind the camera. So
here we go. Utopia 3D. Oh, 3D, 360.
Utopia 360.
Yeah.
Virtual reality 3D headset.
That's it.
So we researched a few to see which one is best. We was crossed between this one and another one that's more premium. But we chose to go with this one only because it actually had a remote. The other premium one didn't have a remote, and we don't.
The other one was more expensive, but it seemed to have less things and to do on it. So.
Okay, this is opening up the Utopia 360. Comes with a little pamphlet that tells you that's the remote. I'm sure it tells you how to load the phone and everything. Different languages. And these are recommended apps. These are all free games. Yeah. And we were looking at them, and some's got the remote in it and some doesn't have the remote in it, but these are what you can download. Yeah. And this is actually good for iOS and Android phone. Yeah. We have
iOS.
We have iPhone. So happy about that. So let's get it and see what's actually in the package. Okay, there we go. A little lens cleaner. Yeah. Put that there. The lens itself. And the remote control.
Yeah. And package in there.
This is more instructions, paperwork.
Different
languages. And this here, I've watched videos and they told me what this is. This is just in case the eyewear is pressing too hard against your phone. The phone. Yeah. Then you put it there. So, without any further ado,
let's get this bad boy rolling.
So, that's it. It's not new anymore because it's out the box. Yeah. So let's get this off it. All this
protective plastic.
This newness. Okay. So. Okay. And how do you open? Okay, there you go. And that's it right there. Yep. This is adjustable. Fits your phone.
It fits a wide range of phones, doesn't it?
Yeah. And this is your remote control.
Yeah.
So the remote control has to be synced with my iPhone.
Yeah. Bluetooth.
So what I did in preparation for this vlog is I had 2 batteries ready.
Okay.
I was from online. I'm sure they said it was AAA.
AAA, yeah.
So got 2 AAA ready. And get in there. Oops.
You put it the wrong way.
No, it's the right way. Just okay. It's in now. Got a blue light flashing.
Okay.
So
what does that mean?
I think it's ready to be hooked up to the Bluetooth. So, need to put here's my phone. Ah, look at my screensaver.
Is that a handsome dapper man?
Unlock my phone. It's really hot.
I won't show.
I said unlock my phone, and I'm actually typing the word unlock to open the phone.
I do that sometimes.
Yeah.
Sign of old age.
It's open and...
Ooh, who's that?
Oh, that's Life for Life, of course. So go to your settings,
yeah,
and go to your Bluetooth. Turn your Bluetooth on, and let's hope this is on. Yes, Utopia 360. Click on Utopia 360, click pair, and wait for it. This takes a few minutes because I saw it on a, connected. There we go. In anticipation of it coming, I actually put a game, downloaded a game from the App Store,
right,
to see if it worked. This game is it's a, oh come on with the adverts.
I've seen a couple of scary ones on YouTube.
So there we go. So that's telling you how to actually do it.
Yeah.
And we're about to.
So it's a split screen on your phone.
Yep. So put it in like this. So there it is. It's in there. So now I just need to put my code back in. So there it is.
There we go.
Let's hope I've got the phone turned the right way. Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna close that.
What kind of a game is that?
That's a roller coaster game.
Uh-oh.
And let me go here just in case. So go
somewhere where there's no table.
So I don't panic. And so what I'm actually doing at the moment is adjusting, because it looks a bit fuzzy.
Oh, okay. So you have to adjust the lenses.
Yeah, and they said something was supposed to be on top to adjust. Oh yes, this thing here.
Yeah.
Adjust your sighting. So let's see.
Do you want to sit down, being as it's a roller coaster?
Let's give it a try first and see if I panic. Where's Jay?
JJ? What's J for? Your support?
You're gonna have to hold me at the back. Just in case.
Just make sure it doesn't fall into the coffee table.
Oh yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Whoa!
Here he goes.
Okay.
Yeah? It started.
Yeah. But hold on. Stop it. Yeah.
The lever again?
We need to stop it because...
Where's the remote control thing?
No. Here's why we need to stop it.
Why?
We need sound.
Oh.
So we need our headphones.
You can't turn it up?
No. We need to wear headphones. Yeah, so I got my headphones from the office. Now I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, because you're gonna need headphones.
So how can you, is there a way to clip that in?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm gonna plug the headphones to it.
I think maybe you should sit down.
Yeah, but I want a real experience.
Yeah, because you sit down on a roller coaster.
Well, hold on. Oh yeah, maybe I could sit at the chair.
Yeah.
So it's like...
Away from the table.
Away from the table and away from the TV. So, we're going to give this a real
test.
A real roller coaster test.
I think everybody should have a go.
Everybody is going to have a go. I'm not going to be the only lab rat.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna fit.
Maybe you put that on first and then the headphones.
See? So hold on, we need to get the game going again. Roller coaster There.
I want to do that.
So, oh yeah, I can hear it. Now you gotta hold me behind. Okay. Understand what wife is saying.
Let's do this. We have sound. We have a chair. We have Jay in the support, security.
Okay, and we got sound, and we're off. Turning it up.
You playing?
Yeah, it's playing.
Oh, you haven't reached the, what do you call that, the drop yet?
I'm trying to get into it.
Are you riding?
Oh!
Oh, jeez.
School is just a game.
Yes.
It's just a game. Oh!
Can you feel it in your stomach now?
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh!
This is
Just a
funny.
game. I'm still-
This is
Oh!
funny. Uh-oh. But you can feel, I'm sure you can feel it in your stomach and whatnot. It's stressful. It's strange, this virtual reality.
Oh! Yeah! Now, chase up. Okay, come on. Okay. Look to the left, got the lever.
Oh, there you go.
That's how it is in real life.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
I think I better hold on to the chair.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's gone.
And then put this on. Yeah. Look to your left. You'll see a lever, and by looking at it, it will move. No, in the game, in the actual game.
To your right.
To your
Hold on, I have to adjust there.
Claire.
Hold on.
Do you see the lever?
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
To your right, yes.
This way.
Yeah. To your right. Look to your right. Turn your head to your right.
Yeah. Do you see the lever?
No.
It wouldn't. This way.
Yeah. Look, it's just like a stick.
No?
The green thing is pointing to it.
Oh, then it's on the left then. Oh, okay. Yeah.
To
Oh,
the left.
okay.
Just look at it. Is it starting?
Yeah,
Are you on the roll?
yeah.
Okay.
But why do we have to look on the left? On the left?
You don't have to constantly look on the left now. That's just to get the game started.
Oh,
Now you're driving.
yeah.
Okay. It's building you up for the excitement.
It's a lot of nice scenery around, looking at the sea.
Yes.
Yeah. Looking at the rocks. Ooh! 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 Hello! Oh, wow! Oh! Oh! It's actually like. Oh! It's actually. It just disappeared! Oh, in the water.
Cool.
It's weird, but I like it.
That was our
That was very
VR
riveting.
our first VR experience.
Yes.
And I'll try to edit this vlog in a way so you guys can see the inside of what
Right, what we were
we
looking
were
at.
actually looking at.
Yeah.
And we're gonna download the rest of the free games. And we're gonna see.
I have a request for one of those scary ones.
Right. Yeah, I've seen some dark zombie ones,
yeah.
you know. This game is okay, but there's better games, you know. In a way, you can tell that it's animated, you know, but they are a more realistic game. But when you allow your mind to go in the sound, like you believe that you're in there, so it's very good. So that's it for today's vlog, really.
Yes.
We're just gonna chill, enjoy the sun on the balcony, and maybe sip another glass of wine. We had a glass of wine last night.
You do, yeah, you're not allowed.
Yes. We had a glass of wine last night. That was our first glass in
a week.
No, it must be about 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a while since we had wine. And the thing about when you haven't had wine in a while, and then you have some, it goes to your head real quick.
It does.
Especially when it's hot.
I had a little mini hangover this morning.
So that was our situation.
Yeah.
We're really hot, and that is what has been one of the things hindering us from vlogging.
We have to keep going under the fan.
You know, so. But we'll keep you posted, and we'll vlog more things if more interesting things.
Yeah, if you go anywhere or
happen.
We'll tell you what we decide for the birthday weekend.
Yes, and if we're doing something for the birthday weekend, without a doubt, we'll take you guys with us. Until then,
ciao for now.
Ciao for now.